What is up, my ducklings? In today's video, we're going to be talking about the trends in renovations, specifically how Canadians are spending on their homes. Having spent more than a year indoors as a result of the lockdowns, the desire amongst Canadians to make changes to their living spaces has never been more palpable. Homeowners have been reworking their properties to accommodate for more of their needs, creating home offices out of guest bedrooms and finishing basements to make room for those heavily desired spin studios. In the 2020 special edition COVID-19 renovation report, the home service review website Homeowners found that 80% of its respondents were still planning to take on home projects despite the challenges caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. The obvious thing that we have found so far that people are adding to their homes are home offices, homework spaces, and gyms. We've also been seeing a rise of the extra bathroom and kitchen renovation, and people have really been spending a lot of time in their backyards. Speaking of backyards, this is the first major trend that we are going to discuss: backyard updates. The backyard updates for both the parents and the kids. Since international travel and tourism is off the agenda for now, these families are finding new ways to vacation at home. We've been seeing homeowners are investing way more time and money into their backyards to create their own getaway space. We've been seeing everything from decks to gazebos, to hot tubs, to pools, to even tree houses. People are really enjoying and embracing the backyards all year round. Whether it's a fire pit or some exterior heaters, the Homeowners website in 2020 in its report claimed that people have been taking and have took advantage of their extra time at home to make outdoor updates, such as adding landscaping or installing pools and playgrounds. The next major trend is making room for a home office. Tens of thousands of Canadians have suddenly found themselves trading the office cubicle for the dining room table. Many remote workers have had to find and carve out a way for their workspace in their home, whether it be a dedicated room or a simple desk setup. For the urban dwellers and those living with limited square footage specifically, the task isn't always about putting together a home office, but also to explore ways to create multi-purpose spaces that can provide flexibility outside of working hours. The next trend we found is the expansion of the home's footprint. Aside from the more obvious home office renovations, upgrades and additions to kitchens and bathrooms have been surging too, along with finishing or renovation of the basements. According to the Appraisal Institute of Canada, renovating your bathroom or kitchen is one of the top 5 projects you can take on that will improve your home's value and yield the highest return on your investment. So keep in mind with all these trends, what you want to know before you renovate your home, if you're considering making changes to your home, that is, this year. It is very important to do your research to your local municipality's building permits and also your local bylaws. So if you're thinking about putting up a massive tree fort in the backyard, you should understand what the local bylaws are. That's all I got for now, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video about the trends and renovations that homeowners have been doing. Any questions, feel free to contact me. Please follow me on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. My handle is Sold with Sandeep, universal across the board. That's all I got for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.